What if I told you that you could earn $575 a day using Chat GPT? Yes, you heard that right. In today's digital age, leveraging advanced AI like Chat GPT can open up numerous income streams. Stick around to discover the step-by-step strategies to make this possible. Let's start by understanding the potential. Chat GPT, developed by OpenAI, is a versatile AI language model that can assist in various tasks like content creation, customer service, tutoring, and more. By tapping into its capabilities, you can create multiple income streams. Here's how you can do it. 1. Freelance writing and content creation. One of the most straightforward ways to make money with ChatGPT is through freelance writing. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer are teaming with clients looking for blog posts, articles, and social media content. Here's how you can get started. Sign up on freelance platforms, create a profile on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Highlight your skills and how you leverage AI to produce high-quality content quickly. Offer competitive rates. Initially, offer competitive rates to attract clients. As you build your portfolio and gain positive reviews, gradually increase your prices. Utilize ChatGPT for efficiency. Use ChatGPT to draft articles, generate ideas, and even create social media posts. This will significantly reduce the time you spend on each project, allowing you to take on more work and increase your earnings. 2. Creating and selling online courses. Online education is booming, and ChatGPT can help you tap into this market. Create comprehensive online courses on topics you're knowledgeable about or that are in high demand. Choose a profitable niche. Identify a niche that has a high demand but relatively low competition. Use platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Coursera to host your courses. Develop course content. Use ChatGPT to generate scripts, course materials, and even quizzes. This will streamline the content creation process and ensure your courses are well-structured and engaging. Market your course. Utilize social media, email marketing, and SEO strategies to attract students. Offer discounts or free trials to build a student base and gather reviews. 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your referral link. With ChatGPT, you can create compelling content that drives sales. Join affiliate programs. Sign up for affiliate programs on platforms like Amazon Associates, ClickBank, or ShareASale. Choose products that align with your niche and audience. Create engaging content. Use ChatGPT to write product reviews, how-to guides, and comparison articles. Ensure your content is SEO optimized to attract organic traffic. Promote on multiple channels. Share your content on blogs, social media, and email newsletters. Use ChatGPT to create posts and emails that drive traffic to your affiliate links. 4. Providing customer support services. Many businesses are looking to outsource their customer service operations. With ChatGPT, you can offer efficient customer support services to multiple clients simultaneously. Offer your services to small businesses. Reach out to small businesses and offer to handle their customer support. Highlight how you can use ChatGPT to provide quick and accurate responses to customer inquiries. Set up chatbots. Create and manage chatbots for your clients' websites. These chatbots can handle common queries, freeing up your time to handle more complex issues. Charge per client. Charge a monthly fee for your services. By managing customer support for multiple clients, you can quickly scale your earnings. 5. Developing niche websites and monetizing them. Create niche websites that generate passive income through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Identify profitable niches. Use tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner to find niches with high demand and low competition. Create high-quality content. Use ChatGPT to generate informative and engaging content for your website. Focus on SEO to ensure your content ranks well in search engines. Monetize your website. Apply for ad programs like Google AdSense, join affiliate programs, and reach out to businesses for sponsored post opportunities. 6. Tutoring and coaching services. Another lucrative avenue is offering tutoring or coaching services. Whether it's academic tutoring, career coaching, or personal development, ChatGPT can help you create and deliver valuable content. Identify your expertise. Determine what subjects or skills you can teach. This could range from math and science to resume writing or interview preparation. Create lesson plans. Use Chat GPT to generate detailed lesson plans and study materials. This can save you time and ensure your sessions are well organized and effective. Promote your services. Use social media, local listings, and educational platforms like Wezant or Tutor.com to attract students. Offer a free initial session to demonstrate the value of your services. 7. Building a YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel can be a great way to earn money through ad revenue, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Chat GPT can assist you in content creation and scripting. Choose a niche. Identify a niche that you're passionate about and has a sizable audience. This could be anything from tech reviews to cooking tutorials. Create compelling scripts. Use Chat GPT to write engaging scripts for your videos. This ensures your content is informative and keeps your viewers hooked. Optimize for SEO. Utilize SEO strategies to ensure your videos rank well on YouTube. This includes using relevant keywords, creating catchy titles, and writing detailed descriptions. 8. Writing and selling ebooks. If you enjoy writing, consider creating and selling ebooks. Chat GPT can help you brainstorm ideas, outline chapters, and even write the content. Choose a topic. Identify topics that are in demand. Non-fiction niches like self-help, personal finance, and health are always popular. Write efficiently. Use Chat GPT to generate content quickly. This can help you produce high-quality ebooks in a shorter amount of time. Publish and promote. Publish your ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing. Promote them through your blog, social media, and email lists to drive sales. 9. Virtual assistant services. Offer virtual assistant services to businesses and entrepreneurs. Chat GPT can help you manage tasks efficiently and provide excellent support. Identify services to offer. Determine what services you can provide, such as email management, scheduling, research, and content creation. Use Chat GPT for efficiency. Leverage Chat GPT to handle routine tasks, draft emails, and manage calendars. This allows you to take on more clients and increase your income. Market your services. Use platforms like Upwork and Fiverr to find clients. Highlight your ability to use AI to deliver high-quality and efficient services. Breakdown to reach $575 a day. 1. Freelance writing. Earn $100 per article and complete 3 articles a day equals $300. 2. Online courses. Sell courses at $50 each and sell 3 courses a day equals $150. 3. Affiliate marketing. Generate $5 commissions on 25 sales a day equals $125 total, $575 a day. By diversifying your income streams and leveraging the power of ChatGPT, you can create a sustainable and lucrative online business. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell for notifications. Share your thoughts and any tips you have in the comments below. And check out the links in the description for more resources and our social media handles. Until